a proud supporter of Operation Barbecue Relief. Korean short ribs, a favorite of everybody's, including mine. So today, that's what we're going to do. I've already got 2 pounds of flat ribs in a Ziploc baggie, and it starts with a marinade. I've already got 1 cup of pineapple juice, to that 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons cooking sherry or rice wine vinegar if you have it, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1/4 teaspoon Chinese spice, 1/4 teaspoon powdered ginger, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. And get it out. And just mix it up till everything breaks up and incorporates. Now we're just going to add this to the flat ribs. Fold it over, try to get as much air out as you can. And then give it a good mix, try to coat all sides. Now this is a really fast marinade. Put it in the refrigerator for about 15, maybe 20 minutes. I wouldn't go any longer than that because of the soy sauce. But you want to leave it on a tray, something with sides on it, just in case it leaks a little bit. So back to the kitchen to refrigerate. We've had the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Now let's prepare for the next step. First we want to dump the marinade off. That's a lot less than we started with. I've already got a couple of newspapers laid out underneath the paper towels here. Now it's very important to pat these things as dry as possible before you throw them on a grill. To get that Maillard reaction, that brown crust on meat that people love so much, it has to be dry. If the meat's still wet, it'll boil and it won't get up to the certain temperature, like 400 plus degrees, I believe is what it is, before that reaction starts. That's why it's important to get them as dry. This is a very quick cooking recipe. I've already got the grill set up for direct heat. I got about half the charcoal in the back of it, and we're working with a very hot fire today. 1001, 1002, that's good. I already got a prep tray. We're gonna cook them, and they're gonna go right onto our wooden platter. This will take about a minute, maybe 2. This is going to go really fast. Now because of the limited space on the grill, I'm only going to do a few of these at a time. I've only had these on about a minute. The blood is starting to pool right through the bones here. That's a good indicator it's about ready to flip. Yep, this one's good to go as well. And we'll give this one a few more. Good crust on the back. This one's ready to come off. Oh yeah, that's a nice crust. Flip it and rotate it around, get it right directly over the heat. There we have it. Korean barbecue beef ribs. Works great as a main course or an appetizer. Thanks for watching. Please help support your local food bank.
The plane.
The plane, boss, the plane.
Still rolling.
Rolling, rolling, rolling. Get them doggies rolling. Rawhide. Can't use that. We did that the first season.
Every year. Every year.
Well, that's probably one of the few songs I actually know. As you can tell, I am not a singer. I don't play a singer on TV.
Excuse me.
Gesundheit. To create that brown crust that Carl likes so much. I've already got the grill set up for looking at the wrong camera. And we're cooking, we're cooking, we're cooking. Incoming!
Tom, what does a barbecue man think about while he is sitting and waiting for his meat to finish cooking?
Beer. barbecue and beer.
Good answer.